Namaskar everyone. Welcome to our beginner friendly yoga poses segment. These 5 poses are perfect for those who are new to yoga. So let's begin our practice. Our first pose will be Tadasana, mountain pose. Stand tall with your feet hip width apart, arms relaxed by your sides. Ground down through your feet, engage your leg muscles and lengthen your spine. Lift the crown of your head towards the sky and soften your shoulders. Breathe deeply, feeling grounded and centered in this pose. Mountain pose is the foundation for many other standing poses. Now we go to pose 2, which is Marjaryasana-Bitilasana, cat and cow pose. Come onto your hands and knees, aligning your wrist under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. As you inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest and look up towards the ceiling or up towards the sky for cow pose. As you exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin to your chest and draw your belly button towards your spine for cat pose. Flow between these 2 poses, following your breath and warming up your spine. And our third pose for today is Adho Mukha Svanasana, down facing dog position. From the previous position, which is cat and cow or Marjaryasana, tuck your toes, lift your knees off the mat and push your hips up and back, forming an inverted V shape with your body. Lengthen your spine, relax your neck and place your palms firmly into the mat. Engage your quadriceps and gently push your heels towards the ground. Take a deep breath, enjoying the stretch in your hamstrings and the opening in your shoulders. The fourth pose is Balasana, child's pose. Kneel on your mat, bring your knees wide apart and sink your hips back towards your heels. Extend your arms forward and rest your forehead on the mat. Allow your entire body to relax in this gentle resting pose. Breathe deeply and surrender any tension or stress. Child's pose or Balasana is a wonderful pose to rest, restore and reconnect with your breath. The fifth and the last pose among the 5 poses is Savasana or corpse pose. Lie down on your back, legs extended and slightly apart, arms by your sides with palms facing up in a relaxed position. Close your eyes, relax your entire body, releasing any remaining tension. Let go of any thoughts or distractions and just simply be present in this moment. Focus on your breath, allowing it to naturally flow in and out. Savasana is the final relaxation pose that allows you to integrate the benefits of your practice. Remember, these poses are just the beginning of your yoga journey. Practice regularly, listen to your body and be present with yourself. With time, you'll build the strength, flexibility, and a deeper connection to yourself. Enjoy the journey and embrace the transformative power of yoga. Now sit in any cross-legged position or continue relaxing on your Shavasana for a few more minutes. Thank you for joining us today. I wish you a great practice ahead. Thank you and namaste. We hope this beginner-friendly yoga poses help you embark on fulfilling and joyful yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more yoga content. Until next time,